Did you know that you can use Google's new VEO AI for free? And all you have to do is just simply open up your browser, type in VEO AI and hit search, and you will be able to find it from the Google search. Now, in order to find the correct one, because there's a ton of different search results that will show you VEO, but you want to search from the one that is coming from Gemini, and it's going to say Gemini AI video generator powered by VEO. That's the one that you want to look for. Don't look for anything else. Now, once you go ahead and click this option in the list, guys, it will take you over to the Gemini website, which will show you how you can get access to VEO, and you can easily try this for free. So all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click try VEO, and you'll be taken over to the subscription section here. Now, in order to use this, you want to go ahead and ensure that you are using the pro version. So you have a free version of Gemini, which will allow you to use Gemini by default, right? It's absolutely free. And as you can see, it says you get 1 month for free. So simple click and get started here. With the pro plan, you see that you're getting it for a month free. Just simply go ahead and choose Get AI Pro, and you will be able to click and agree, and then from here you'll need to enter your card details. Now from here you can easily pay with your card, you can pay with redeem code, you can pay with your PaySafe card, PayPal, whichever one you choose. Go ahead and choose, for example, pay by card, and you can enter your details here for your card. Now once you go ahead and enter your card details, just simply go ahead and click on save, and you will be able to use the VEO Gemini for free. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can easily get a free access to Google's VEO and start creating some amazing things. That's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.